welcome back to my channel. It is me, Panisha, back at it again. And today I'm showing you guys something and making it. And I got it last night from my school, and it's from Lord Allegan Public School. If you guys don't know, if you go there, check me out. I'm in grade 4, totally. And yeah, I got it from my school, and I'm really thankful. And it was actually a draw, so I was thinking like I wouldn't get it, but someone chose my name. I was so surprised, and I'm really thankful for that person and the Lord Allegan School. So thank you very much, whoever did this or gave it to me. And yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and ring the post notification bell on to not miss any of my videos, and let's get started. Thank you. Now is the time to show you guys what I got. Are you guys excited? Are you guys ready? Let's get started, but drum roll please. Here it is! It's covering my face. It is huge, so let's open it. It also has a wrapper. Now let's see inside. Ooh, we got this amazing glass of cups. Yeah, we got 4 of them. It's really hard to go. Here, I'll take the glasses. Oh, then we got banana. Well, usually I don't like whatever. Then we got this vanilla yogurt. Ooh, vanilla yogurt. Ooh, this is the most exciting part. There we go. So much noise. We got the 4-berry blend. We have strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, and blueberry. And this big giant stuff. Then the next thing we have is this granola cereal. Yeah, and it's not opened. Awesome. And the best thing is you get a free bin, and it's red. Yay! Woo! Okay, this is what I got, and I'll put this stuff in the links below, down below, if you want to check it out. Check it. Wow, so funny. Funny. The cabin boy. Now I'm going to make a smoothie. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? Tell me in the comments down below. Okay guys, inside this giant bag over here, we have strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, and blueberry. So it's over here. Now I'm gonna make smoothies. So now I'm going to make a smoothie, so I'm going to add milk first. You can add milk or water, but I'm making milk to make it tastier. But I'm going to add more. Yeah, stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Now I'm going to add the vanilla yogurt. Yay. Ow, it's really hard to open. Ooh. Okay, now let's scoop the vanilla. Ooh, now we're gonna add some in. I'm gonna add the fruits. Ooh, okay. Ooh, look at that red. Nice ribbons. It looks disgusting, but it's gonna taste good. Now I'm going to blend it. I think I'm gonna add to liquefy and whip. So let's get started. There's a bubble on top. I think I'm going to add banana. I don't know why, just to make it look good. So I think I'm going to add the whole banana. Because look how much is that. That is a lot. Ooh, let's drop that in. And let's keep on mixing. I do not like banana, but I'm doing this for you guys. Okay. Okay, let's add it. Oh my goodness, guys. Look how awesome is this. Can you guys hear me? Hello? Hello, are you there? Okay, guys. If you guys can hear me, I think I'm done now. I think the banana's all melted and done. So, yeah, I think we should try it. Oh, good. Now let's pour it in nicely and gently. That's good. Now the next one.
I think that's some there.
This looks so delicious. I want to like eat it because it looks like kind of like all those fruit, because all those fruit there like mixed up, but I could smell the bananas. I don't really like the bananas, but yeah, guys. Yeah. Whoa, guys, look at this. I think this is a little bit more pouring. So I have to add a little bit more because I don't know. It's just too much. Okay, I think this should be enough. Okay, guys, this is how it looks like. Ooh, looks so delicious. I don't even like the bananas, but still, let's get started to try it on. Count of 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait. I don't think the bananas mixed well, but anything else, this is really tasty and awesome. If you made this at home, if you want to make it, follow my steps. Totally, it's easy, really easy. Just follow it, super easy. Not trying to make you do it, but if you want to make it, make it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. But wait, before I end this video, please subscribe and ring the post notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.